Let's start with this. Jaya, Sayantani, Pita, Himadri, everyone, cameras on? Meghna, Ram, 3, 4, how many classes today? Oh, guys. I love it. Everyone here is committed. Let's start, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's open with one Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Someone else is joining. Okay. Watch me, guys. We start tabletop position. Bring the core engaged, hands pressing down towards the mat. Hands pressing down towards the mat. And we start with shoulder rotation. No arching of the spine, okay? Pelvis in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come to center. We're going to move. Circle, shifting the weight forward to the left center. So the weight is going to travel through the palms of the hands. In a circle, the weight is going to be shifting through the whole palm of your hand. Okay? Let's start 5 slow circles to the right, and then you reverse. 1, 2, 3, core engage, pelvis in. 4, 5. Now reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Now you're going to flip your palms, fingertips facing towards the knees. Press the palm down. Separate the scapula and go back. And hunch the spine. Hold it without lifting the palm. Palm pressing down. Hunch and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Very good. Watch me. here. We will shift the weight forward, bring the pelvis in. Center. Shift the weight forward, more weight in the hands. 2. Center, sorry, forward. Center. Yes? I'm not going back. Okay? Center is where my hips are on top of my knees. And then forward. Hunch like in the cat position. Yes? Let's go. 1. Elbow straight, palms pressing down. Center. 2. Center. 3. Center. 4. Center. 5. Center. 6. Center. 7. Center. 8. Center. 9. Center. 10. Forward and hold. Hold forward, everyone. Hold forward. Maximum weight on your hands. Activate your fingers. Separate the scapula. Hold. Eyes down. 10, 9, 8, 7. In stillness. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Very good. Watch me now. From tabletop, we will step 1 and 1 with each hand. Pelvis forward. We will squeeze pelvic in, squeeze also your core, maximum hunch. Bend the elbows in, yes? And try to touch forehead. Exhale. Inhale, nothing moves on your back. 2. Inhale. 3. Yes? The pelvis doesn't go down, guys. Okay? Hunch. We shift the weight forward. It has to look like this. The elbows don't go to the side. This is Chaturanga half push-ups. Yes? Let's go. Everyone prepare. From tabletop, 1 step forward with your hands. 1 step above. And we go. Elbows in. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. Good. Activate hands, fingers. 3. Exhale. Pelvis in. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. More weight forward, Shiva. 7. Yes. Exhale. Last push. 8. Exhale. Pelvis in Kavita. 9. Exhale. 10. Last one. Push and sit back to child's pose. 30-second rest. Second rest. Everyone take child's pose. Minal, take child's pose. Relax. Ritu. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now watch me. We will take the blocks on the high level. Yes? High level. Bring the hands behind. Watch me first on the tabletop. Step back, plank. We will bend, Chaturanga, push, separate the scapula. 2, push, separate the scapula. Yes, on the high setting. Hands behind. Yes. Now you touch and push. Yes, don't touch and relax. Only little touch, push. Okay? You keep bending the elbows 90 degrees. Touch, push. When you push, separate the scapula. Yes? Everyone, we go together, guys. We go together. Take tabletop. Make sure the blocks are shoulder distance apart. Yes, the blocks have to be shoulder distance that you touch. Yes? And then we go. Extend the legs back into high plank. Shift weight forward to the hands. And then bend the elbows close to the rib cage. Touch. Push. Core engage. 2, 3. Guys, shift the weight forward to the hands. The shoulders have to go to the top of the block. 4. There's a lot of confusion here. There's a lot of confusion here. There's a lot of guys, watch me. There's a lot of confusion. So, shoulder distance, it means shoulder distance. Otherwise, where am I going to touch? Yes, tabletop position, step, step. If I only do this, I'm not going to reach. I have to bring the weight forward, touch, push. I have to bring the weight forward. I cannot be here and try to bend. Weight forward. Yes? Pelvis. I'm seeing this. I'm seeing this. I'm seeing this. No. Forward. Stack. Forward. 1. Even if it takes all the effort. Push. Yes? Shall we? Let's go. Take position. We go together, guys. Take position. Make sure the hands are, guys, the hands behind. Literally behind. It cannot be here. Fingertip touching. Yes? Let's go. Tabletop position. Step back. High plank. Shift the weight forward. Bend the elbows and go. 1. Much better. Push. 2. Push. Correct. Bend the elbows. 3. Yes, Kiran. Much better. Push. Come on, ladies. 4. Push. Try. Don't give up. 5. Push. 6. Push. Kavita, try. 7. Push. Come on. 8. Push. 9. Julie, push. Last one, 10. And push. Good job, guys. Good job. Wrist rotation. Wrist rotation. Opposite side. Up and down. Good. Good for those who pause and came back, huh? I know it's challenging. I know it's challenging. Now, we will do 3 slow ones. No blocks. No blocks, I repeat. Yes, so no safetiness for your shoulders. Without the blocks. Same. Tabletop. Extend. Shift forward. Bend. Push. Fully finish the movement. Down. Push. Fully finish the movement. Yes? Bend as much as you can. If you feel your biceps burning, good. But finish the movement. The press against the mat is going to help you push up and come back up. Yes, if you overthink it, you will collapse down. No time to go in the brain. I think of bending like a T-Rex. Bending. That's all I want to sing. 3 reps, ladies. Kiran, 3 reps. Yes? Everyone, focus. Yes, Ritu, yes. I love it. That's the energy. Yeah, everyone, take position, take position. Wait, Kiran, wait. Everyone, let's go together, guys. It's 3 reps. Everyone, high plank. Shift the weight forward. Shift the weight forward to your hands. Bend the elbows. 90 degrees. And push. 1. 90 degrees. Come on. And push. 2. One more. 90 degrees. Come on, go low. And push. Good job. Child's pose. Child's pose. Good job. Come back up. Very good. Now, watch me. We will take tabletop position. Hips up. Downward facing dog. Now, from downward facing dog, bend the knees. Look forward. With your eyes, you look in between your thumbs. Bend. Jump. Malasana. And back. Jump. Finish the movement, pelvis down. And back. Jump. Those who know how to engage bandhas, Uddiyana Bandha, Muladhara Bandha, engage. Otherwise, guys, we focus on pressing the mat away. We focus on engaging the core. Yes? Strong arms. Strong arms. No time to triple think. Yeah, go for it. We think of hips high. Hips high. Fingers active. These are the brakes that will not let you fall. Yeah? There's gonna be tiny bit of fear. Embrace the fear. Yeah, there's fear in the beginning. We cannot skip it. Yeah? Himadri, the bandhas you apply when you jump. I'm saying those who know how to apply the bandhas, they apply. I'm not explaining the bandhas today. We will do in another session. Yeah? Otherwise, you focus on engaging the core. 10 jumps. 10 jumps. At your own pace, I give you 2 minutes. 10 jumps. Focus on jumping high and forward. High to the ceiling and forward. Eyes to your hands before you jump. Yes, Pradnya. Guys, jump back as well. We jump forward, we jump back. We jump forward and we jump back. We don't walk back. We jump back as well. Yes, Shiva. More high in the jump. You have the strength. Jaya, lower pelvis, lower pelvis. The jump is good, Jaya, but you're not going down in Malasana. Yes, Lakshmi. Continue, guys. Count 10 jumps for yourself. Doesn't have to go fast. Kiran, high, jump high. Control the jump. You have the strength. Control float, Epa. 10 jumps. Those who finish, sit in Malasana and wait. Those who finish, you sit in Malasana. Press the palms together. Press the elbows against the knees. Knees against the elbows to open. Don't cheat. Do your 10 reps, then wait in Malasana. If you are in Malasana, spine straight. Press the elbows against the knees. Lower the prayer in line with your elbow. Prayer low in line with the elbow. Eyes forward, spine straight, pelvis forward. Pelvis pushing forward. Let's go everyone, Malasana hold. Malasana hold. Just chill, relax here. You know guys, you can, if you work from home, you put a low table and you work like this. Amazing for your hips. Better than the chair. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands in front of you. Press with the hands. Exhale. Press the feet down. Extend the legs. Extend the legs. Now here when we extend the legs, we think of the cow pelvis. We don't want to round. We press the feet down so it helps us open the pelvis. If I cannot open the pelvis with the hands, I take one block, maybe low setting, to help me. Yes? Or second setting with the block. Okay, we will do 5. Inhale, when I go down, I open actively the knees away from me. Press the hands to the block or to the floor. Open pelvis, extend the legs. Guys, think of the cow pelvis. Cow pelvis. Yes, this is the cow pelvis. Anterior. Let's go. 2. Exhale. Press the feet, extend the legs, open your pelvis. Inhale down. Press the hands, press the feet, extend, exhale. 2 more. Inhale low. Exhale open. Last one. Inhale. Exhale open. You're gonna lift the chest up in line with the hips. Keep the open pelvis. Keep the feet pressing down. Extend the arm forward. If this is difficult, bring the hands in prayer and hold. Hold, hold. Feel your back of the legs opening. Press the feet down. Engage the leg fully. Engage your quads. No hands on the wall. Epa. Jaya. No hands on the wall. No. No wall. No cheating, guys. Last 15 seconds. Lift higher, Pranya. Use your core. Lift higher the chest. You're stuck in the wall, Pranya. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lift the core. Sorry, lift the chest. Use the core to lift up. Up, up, up into standing position. Watch me. We will go for dynamic Skandasana. Yes? Option 1. You take the blocks under the shoulders. Step, step. Heels in, toes out. You're gonna bend the knee. Lower the pelvis down. Opposite leg. Fully straight, heel down, toes up. Press the hands to block, lift up, inhale. Exhale. Second side. Only for support. All the weight doesn't come here. The weight comes here. Option 2, no blocks. Fingertips to the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Option 3, no hands. All the way up. Inhale. Exhale. Yes? We go 6 times. Everyone ready? Stand up. Alignment. Blocks nearby just in case. When we go no hands, guys, all the way down, huh? As low as you can. As low as you can. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale low. Inhale up. Exhale opposite side. Inhale up. Exhale 3. Inhale up. Continue. Exhale 4. Inhale up. Exhale 5. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale 6. Stay here. If your bump, your glutes is not touching the floor, one block. Open the knee nicely. Those who feel comfortable with the block, without the block, you will walk the knee a little bit away. Same without the block. Yes, walk the knee a little bit, sorry, the knee. The heel a little bit away. The knee stays on top of the heel. Other leg down. Yes, we will forearms, or some of you arms straight already will feel the stretch on the Hamstrings here, inner thigh, and opposite leg. So here with the block, without the block. Here, if I'm with the forearms down, I keep opening the knee. Yeah? 1 minute hold. Don't go forearm down if it's a struggle, guys. The leg that is straight has to keep big straight, toes up. The knee has to keep opening. Need to move the heel a little bit under your knee. On the right knee. The heel. Everyone. In position. Time is on. Yes, Kavita, very good. Yes, Kamana. Stay, stay, stay. Meghna, yes. Pradnya, yes. Kiran, yes. Sunita, yes. Mitali, yes. Nidhi, yes. Himandri, yes, yes, yes. Look forward if you're on the forum, guys. Shiva, yes. Minal, yes. Jaya, yes, yes, yes. Anu, yes. Lakshmi, yes, yes, yes. Last 25 seconds. Last beat, last beat. Arti, yes. Sayantani, yes. Come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come to center. And opposite side. Check how is the second side. Check what you need. I repeat, with the block under your glutes if the glutes is not touching the floor. Opposite leg straight, heel down, toes up. One step with the foot under your knee, hands down, or forearms down if you are not using the block. Forearms down, knee open. Don't let the knee close. Open, press the foot down, press the heel down. Yes? Take position. We hold 1 minute. Let's go. Yes, 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 guys. Don't get distracted. Focus on what you're doing. Last 30 seconds. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Sit down to the floor. Now, we're going to open both legs. Keep the blocks to one side. We're going to open both legs 90 degrees. Okay? 90 degrees. Bend the knees. I'll show you from the side. We are going to bend the knees 90 degrees. Don't open fully, okay? Press sitting bones down. Interlace the fingers behind your head. From the hip, from your pelvis, you're going to bend. Boom, as low as I can. And use the core to come up. Yes? 10 reps. Go as low as you can, but you have to be able to come up. Yes? Let's go. 1. Up. Press the heels down. That will help you. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. 6. Up. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up. 10. Hold it down without touching the floor. Just hold as low as you can. 20-second hold. Stay, stay, stay. Press heels down. No, 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 Menal. Just hands behind you. You can do this. Use the core. Come on, last 10. 9. Julie, you can do this. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Use the core to come up. Use the core to come up. Very good. Very, very. Now, last one here. Same 90 degrees. We will come down. Sorry, come down. Bend forward, come down. Option 1, hands. See my pelvis like in cow. We are not here. I try to open the pelvis like in cow. So maybe here I'm already good. Maybe here I'm good. I keep opening the pelvis. Maybe here I'm good. Maybe here I'm good. If you're here, hyper, ultra comfortable, you can place block under one, under the other, one block, and down. We will hold 2 minutes, guys. You need to be comfortable. So don't go to your maximum. Maybe some of you are here or are here without the blocks. Huh? Maybe you're here, yes? Maybe after 1 minute, you start feeling more open. You can go down. So don't force now the hardest variation. We enter deeper range with the breath and patience and repetition. Okay? So you go nice and slow. Focus on the breathing. The rest will come. Okay? Take position. Open only 90 degrees. Ladies, I see almost full middle split. No, no, no. 90 degrees. We are not opening to the maximum. Close. 90 degrees. 90, 90. Yes? Heel down, toes up. Press the sitting bones down. Lengthen spine, open the pelvis. And go. Time is on. 2 minutes. Legs fully engaged. Other than that, the focus is on your breath. Almost 1 minute. Kiran, try to extend the legs fully. Yes. Stay there, guys. Last 50 seconds. Last 50 seconds. Focus on the breath. Don't quit, don't quit. This is only your brain telling you to go out. Focus on the breathing. One more breath. One more breath. 30 seconds left. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Good job. Now just sit and watch. Yes? Now. We are gonna go first arm balance. We're gonna sit in Malasana. Watch me. One hand behind. One hand behind. Yes. Other hand behind. Okay, I'll show you from the side. One hand, one hand. I'm in Malasana. Lift. I press the feet down. One hand, one hand. I sit back. Hands are pressing against. Yes, I sit back and try to lift. Yes, I'm not lifting magically. I'm engaging the core and this pressure is coming down. Yes, I have to lean back. The elbows have to bend. You see, my leg is not in my elbow. It's a bit above in my triceps. Yes, I press and I try to lift. Yes, I try to lift. If I feel it's not happening, I can sit just for a moment. Yes. And I can sit here, try to lift, press the hands. Okay. If someone feels this super difficult, my goodness, Pati, you're killing me. 2 blocks. Yes. This is the easiest. Yes. You have to still press, lift. Yes. Maybe lift. Lift. Again, guys, we have to press the hands. Full palm, pressing down and against. Yes, the weight have to be on the palm, the fingers have to be active. Yes, for now, we want to try to see if we can lift a little bit. Yes, those who can lift, try to hook. Yes, to hook, cross, and flex your feet. Then you look forward. Cling. Yes, I have to hunch. Yes. Only those who can lift easily. Yeah, options here for every. Kiran, very good. Yes, 2-3 minutes to play here. We will explore more variations for Titivasana. Guys, try. Don't get frustrated. Take it like a child. You are playing. See what happens. Play. This is like a toy. You are playing, exploring what's happening. If you are too scared to try, we are not in the right mindset then. We have to be okay with trying and falling. This is a safe fall. Yes, Julie. Yes, yes. Hook. Hook. Cross and hook. Yes. It's happening. Yes, yes, Arti. Good, good, good. More pressing, more hinging. Yes, Kiran. Those who are getting the hook, practice hook with both sides. Huh? One leg front, opposite leg. Sayantani, yes, hook. Good job, good job. Keep pressing, hunch more. Ritu, hands to the floor. Hands to the floor. Huh? Shift the weight on the hands. Weight on the hands, weight on the hands. Hunch, activate the core. Remove one block and try. Sometimes I don't like to give I learned without the blocks, guys. I learned this just trying and falling with no blocks. Sometimes if I give too many easy options, we are just chilling there. Press, Ritu, you can do this. Engage the core and hunch, like in cat position. Eyes forward. Yes. Engage the core. Up. Try, keep trying, Ritu, keep trying. For you is better without the blocks. The weight has to come in the hands. Nidhi, yes. You don't need the blocks, Nidhi, I think. Remove the blocks. Kiran, Arti, good job. You're holding for long. Take a rest. Wrist rotation. Yes, Jaya. Good job. Who else? Kavita, yes. Shiva, is this happening? Yes. Any questions here, Mitali? Questions? No, I thought you were coming for questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't hook my legs. I can lift.
Show me. If you can lift, you can hook eventually. Show me, show me. Yes. Now hook. Cross your ankles. Cross your ankles. Yes, 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 yes. What do you mean no? You're touching already. Cross. Pradnya is in your mind. Cross. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Cross, 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 cross. Yes. Come on. Pradnya, you're very close. It's in your mind. Your feet are touching. Just okay. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Okay, let's marry. Yeah? They are touching like this. Cross is just a tiny step and then flex. They have to flex to, so it's like forever marriage. Can't escape. Yeah? Now, guys, we let go of this variation. Next one. How much time do we have? Good. Next one. At the end, yes, final round, I let you pick. Yes? So, next one. Same entry. Hand behind, hand behind. We will sit back. Try to extend one leg, other leg. I have to press, even if my knees are bent. If I can extend fully, I can extend fully. Yes? Now here, tricky part. My triceps has to press against the leg. And the leg against the triceps is opposite forces. And at the same time, the hands are pressing down, hinging. It looks easy peasy, no? Easy peasy. Yes, it's a pressure. I'm trying, imagine I'm trying to squeeze myself. Yeah, so imagine I want to crunch myself and at the same time I want to crunch away, let's say. Right, so I try. 1, 2. Okay, cool, I try to extend. Yes, but this can be now with the elbows bent. Yes, with the elbows bent. Then eventually we can go down. Yeah, we will try this one today. It's easier to hold here than to hold here. But we will try the difficult one first. Yeah? No one's scared, guys. This is only fun. Yeah? Nidhi? I see the fear. No fear. This is only fun, guys. We need to take it as like, oh my God, I'm 5 years old. This is only for fun. 5 years old, they don't think, they just go for it. Yeah? We have the judgment in between. Clouds of judgment. Foof, foof, sun. And then we try. Yeah? I promise you, when you remove this self-judgment, everything starts to come because you allow yourself to make mistakes. We learn more by making mistakes than trying to prevent the mistakes. The mistakes, there's a learning process for everything. Yeah? So embrace the process. Fall if you have to fall. Yes, Jaya. Minal, yes? Do you have a question? Yes, tell me.
So, ma'am, when I'm trying to lift, it slips off my triceps.
Press. Press against the triceps with the leg. Arm against the leg as well. It's both.
Will you just check? Will you just see what I'm
Yes.
where I'm doing?
Yes. Yes, Julie, that was good. Minal, yes. Yes, press. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Yes. 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 Is going great. It's just probably first time you're doing this, no?
Yes.
This is very good for the first time, huh? First time, usually nothing lifts.
Okay.
Yes? Keep trying, guys. Keep trying. We have 2-3 minutes for this. Keep trying. Eyes forward. For the ladies, our center of gravity is in the hips. Yeah, we experience a center of gravity a bit different than men. So it's a bit different how it works, the balance for them and for us. Yes? Don't worry, it's all good. It's doable for everyone. I'm just saying your center of gravity is in your pelvis. So it feels a bit different for us.
Do Mula Bandha?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Should
yes,
do
yes.
Now hunch your back and do Mula Bandha.
Mula Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha, both.
Uddiyana also. Okay.
Yes. One day we will talk about bandhas extensively, guys. Today is not the day because it's not a 2-minute thing. Yeah, basically now you focus on engaging the core. If you know how to engage your pelvic floor, you do that as well. In essence, those are your bandhas, but they need a deeper explanation. We don't have the time now. Keep trying, guys. Rest if you need wrist rotation, and then try again. 1-2 minutes more for this one. I keep watching you guys. Keep trying. This is a matter of repetition. Yes, Kiran. Yes, 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 yes. Press, press, press. Hunch, hunch. Kiran, hunch. Good. Eyes, eyes. Kiran, everything is good for you, but you are distracted with the eyes. Look, drishti, laser point in one point. Everything will get more stable. It's the cherry on top of the cake missing for you. Yes, Kavita. Extend the knees fully. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Pranya, yes. Point the toes. Meghna, point the toes. Yes, 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 yes. Himadri, up. Not this variation, not this variation. Lower, lower, lower. Yes, 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 yes. Good job. Yes, Ayatani. Anu, yes. Shiva, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ladies, Kiran, we are killing this, huh? Very good.
Ma'am, where is the drishti? Where is the gaze?
Gaze is forward.
Forward. Okay.
Gaze is not forward like on the floor. Forward. Yeah? If you look
Okay.
too much down, your body will follow. So just soft gaze forward. What we don't want is to start looking everywhere. That is what we don't want. Yeah? Now, guys, those who are a bit struggling and are almost there, best friends, block 1, block 2. We pick our best friends. Help me, please. And we will place the hands, watch me. Like this. Heel on top, fingers on the front. Okay? Heel on top, fingers on the front. So instead of bringing the hands to the front, we bring the hands to besties. Help. Now we try. We press first. We try. Yes? Extend. See if this is easier. Okay? Those who were struggling only. Those who are doing good with the floor, stay with that. Last minute and then I give you something else. Everyone trying, guys. This is our playtime as adults. Take it. We don't have much of this during the day. Come on, Ritu. Press the hands. Lean forward, lean forward, lean forward. Yes, more. Core, 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 core. Anu, yes, yes, yes. Lakshmi, lean forward. Lean forward. Don't jump. Lean. Lean and engage the core. Lakshmi, lean and engage the core. Yes, Kiran. Extend the knees. Extend the knees, Pranya. Mitali, look forward. Himadri, yes. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Slowly coming down. Everyone take a rest in Malasana. Wrist on the inside. Compress, open and close your hands. Open and close. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now, last option. Yes, last variation for today for Titivasana. So, I'll show you first with the blocks. We go again. Blocks under, behind. Yes, heels and fingers. I have to lean down a little bit, but the weight is on my hands. I have to press against the block, otherwise I fall. Yes? So I press, extend. Now I will bend the elbows. 1. I will bend the elbows. 2. Like a push-up. Yes, those who don't use the blocks, you can go a wider push-up. Yes? You go behind, mat distance apart usually. Lean, extend. Go 1, push. 2, push. 3, oopsie, push. Yes, the weight has to be in the hands. We push against the mat. The elbow is bending. Yes? 2 options, guys. Doesn't matter which variation you are having all the weight in the palm. Otherwise, it comes all here and we have the legs on top and everything, it gets heavy. Okay, make sure you're pressing with all the palm always. In your handstand, in your hand balance, anything that your hand is on the floor, downward facing dog, cobra, anything. Full palm is pressing, everything is touching. Otherwise, all the pressure goes in the wrist. Okay? Let's go. Yes, Minal? Yes, yes, yes. Lean back, lean back. 90 up. Slowly, slowly. Try again. Guys, 90 degrees. The elbows a little bit in. Sunita, try with the blocks. Try with the blocks. You are very close. Kavita, yes. Extend the knees fully. Yes. Maximum control of the core. No one giving up. No one giving up, guys. Try again. Keep it playful. If you get frustrated, it's not playful anymore. Keep it fun.
My right shoulder is hurting, Tati.
Your right shoulder is hurting? Like
Yeah.
like pinching? What is happening?
Pinch. Yeah.
Pinch. Sometimes it happens because we are leaning down with the shoulders in the push-ups.
Okay.
We don't lean with the full body. Yeah? Take a rest for today. You already did a lot. Yeah?
Thank you.
Shoulder rotations for now. Last minute, last minute. I know we're tired. Last minute, try. Yes, Anu, point the toes. Lakshmi, yes, come on, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, you are there, only your weight is leaning back, and then because the pelvis is heavy for everyone, we lean back. Our pelvis is heavy like this. We lean back with the pelvis, doesn't matter if we are bigger or smaller. It weights us back, more weight forward, yeah? Everyone. Jaya, yes, yes, yes. Ah. Almost. Almost. Many of you in the next class, whenever you do this again, you will unlock, because a lot of times we are very close and then it's like, it's escaping. Then you forget about it. And in the next class, woohoo, it all comes. Yeah? It happens for everyone in any skill you're trying in Yogasana. Yeah? Sometimes you're like, it has to happen now. And then it's like, okay, whatever. And when you say whatever and let go, then it happens. Yeah, sometimes in the same class, I say, stop getting frustrated, just be playful. And then your mind relaxes. You stop putting pressure on yourself. And then, hallelujah, it happens. Yeah, like in life, you let go of whatever you want in life, and then usually it comes. Yeah, obviously you have to put your effort and everything. Same here, you put your effort, but if you put your effort with frustration in the middle, or you put your effort with playfulness and open mind, it's a different thing. The effort is the same, but what it does to your body and your mind is very different. Yeah, that is the mindset. Guys, with frustration, we don't go anywhere. Huh? It's just creating heavy clouds in the brain. Why? Life is beautiful, no? We already have a lot of sometimes negativity around us, and then we come to practice for ourselves and we put this heavy rock. Oh my god, I can't do this, I can't do that. And then it's like you're carrying how many rocks, and then we can't, no? Drop the rock, and then let go. Woo, everything is good, no? We should feel a bit light during the practice, even if it's tough, but okay, it's tough, I can't do this, laugh. Just laugh about it. It's gonna happen eventually because you're showing up every day. Some of you are showing 3 hours, 4 hours. Yes, on top of everything else. Kids, husband, la 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 la. Drop a little bit of weight, no? Not the weight in the body, huh? The weight that we build here. Okay? For everyone, for me, for you, everyone. It's like a mindset skill we have to all develop. Yeah, and the easy way to develop is doing the hard thing in the mat. So then we can apply to day-to-day life. Yeah? Good job. Now, let's finish with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Take the moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish chanting one Om, 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your voice through your eyes. Light the palms on your face. A beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Truly, I know it's tough. I know I pushed a lot, but super proud, really. Yes, keep putting the mindset before anything else. Everything will follow through repetition. Mindset will keep you going. Yeah? Everyone, please. Mindset is everything. We build it together in the class. The skills, physical skill come later. Without the mindset, truly you cannot go forward. Not you, not me. If we are constantly frustrated, eventually we quit because the frustration is so much we can't keep up. Yeah? The mindset takes us further. Just remember that. Yeah? See you tomorrow 10:30. Have a good rest, please. Those who are doing many classes. Water, rest, good food, and sleep. Yeah? Thank you.
Auntie Sunita,
Yes?
the day I have joined X Cross this class, after that this part is painful. Till today, it is painful. Last day I had a paracetamol.
Upper part?
My throat was very painful. I thought I catch cold.
Muscles.
I don't know, all these parts.
Message me privately.
Okay.
Privately explain to me everything and I will try to help you in the best way possible.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yesterday I had paracetamol and it's less now.
It's sore.
I don't know. After doing yoga, it started.
It can be
I
the
thought-
muscle stretching. Just send me a message. Send me a message because
Okay, I thought Madhav
paracetamol.
told to talk to you.
Yes.
Okay. I
Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.